Calcium fluoride benefits. Calcium fluoride is a mineral compound that has many benefits for human health. Here are some of the key benefits of calcium fluoride. Promotes healthy teeth. Calcium fluoride is a key component of tooth enamel, which helps protect teeth from decay and damage. It can also help remineralize teeth and prevent cavities. Strengthens bones. Calcium fluoride plays a role in bone formation and maintenance, helping to build strong and healthy bones. It also helps prevent bone loss and osteoporosis. Supports joint health. Calcium fluoride helps maintain the elasticity of connective tissue, which includes the cartilage in our joints. This can help prevent joint stiffness and pain. Supports healthy skin, hair, and nails. Calcium fluoride is a key mineral for healthy skin, hair, and nails, helping to maintain their strength and elasticity. May help prevent certain diseases. Calcium fluoride has been shown to have potential benefits for preventing certain diseases, such as arthritis, hypertension, and cardiovascular disease. It's worth noting that while calcium fluoride is beneficial for human health, it's important to get it in the right amounts. Too much calcium fluoride can lead to fluorosis, which can cause discoloration and damage to teeth and bones. As always, it's important to consult with a healthcare professional to determine the right amount of calcium fluoride for your individual needs. Fluoride is a mineral that is widely found across the world and is composed of calcium fluoride. Pakistan is known to have a large deposit of natural fluoride or stone, with a purity of up to 85%. The fluoride deposit in Pakistan is found in the northern region of the country, in the Hunza Valley and the Gilgit-Baltistan and Balochistan region. The deposit is known to be of high quality, with large crystal formations that are popular among collectors and enthusiasts. Fluoride has a wide range of applications due to its unique physical and chemical properties. It is commonly used in the manufacturing of steel, aluminum, and cement, as well as in the production of hydrofluoric acid. In the production of steel, fluoride is added to the raw materials to reduce the melting point and improve the quality of the final product. In the production of aluminum, it is used as a flux to remove impurities and improve the metal's quality. Fluoride is also used in the production of optical lenses, prisms, and other optical instruments. Its ability to transmit light in the ultraviolet